How to transfer photos from one Google Photos account to another Google Photos account. Firstly, you have to open the Google Photos app. Firstly, you have to install that from your Play Store. Now open that app and we are going to know that how to transfer photos from one Google Photos. You have to log in and you have to select these photos and click on the delete icon. In this way that photos will be moved to your trash. In this way all the photos that you want to move to your trash on another Google Photos, you have to firstly you have to delete all the photos and you must turn on your backup here. Now you can see here backup, you have to turn it on. You can see that is being turned on. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Now similarly you have to install the Google Photos app on your other phone or iPhone. You have to log in your Google Photos ID and you have to move here. You can see here library and now you can see here trash icon. You have to click on it. You can see that the same account is being logged in on another phone and you can also restore videos and photos from your Google Photos app. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.